Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrend TV. This is Viprajesh. In this video today, I would like to talk about the newly unveiled 2022 Kia Sportage midsize crossover SUV. Kia Motors has finally unveiled the 5th generation Kia Sportage in 28 years of the model's history, and this 5th generation model claims to have a futuristic yet muscular and modern exterior design, along with a cutting-edge interior loaded with latest technology. The Kia Sportage is the second production model to feature Kia's new Opposites United design philosophy after the Kia EV6. As against to the curvy and generic design of the model it replaces, the new 2022 Kia Sportage features rather bold and unique design elements, including the distinctive boomerang headlights, the rather large and wide tiger nose grille, diamond-shaped headlamp enclosures, sharper LED tail lamps, which also have a connecting element, a concave boot lid, swollen rear arches, and a prominent spoiler. The new Kia Sportage is longer and wider than the model it replaces and also features roof rails on top of the swooping roofline leading to the rear spoiler. The new Kia Sportage will also be offered with a contrast roof along with stunning-looking dual-tone machine-cut alloy wheels and the signature chrome belt line running all the way to the D-pillar and the roof spoiler. However, apart from this North American and Asian spec Kia Sportage, Kia Motors has also confirmed a Europe-specific model in development, which will be slightly different in terms of design and is also likely to be built on a slightly different chassis. Coming to the interior, the new 2022 Kia Sportage also features a unique dashboard design with a few design elements borrowed from the Kia Telluride and other latest Kia models. Kia claims to have used the highest quality materials throughout the interior to provide a premium experience. The highlight of the new Kia Sportage is the all-new 3-spoke steering wheel, along with the new curved digital display, a new touchscreen infotainment system, and an array of soft-touch haptic switches on the gloss-finished center console. The new Kia Sportage also features soft-touch switches on the center console, along with a rotary dial for the transmission selector. Other standard features on offer include dual-zone automatic climate control, powered front seats, a 360-degree surround view camera with blind view monitor, adaptive cruise control, heated or ventilated seats, and a large panoramic sunroof. Talking about powertrain, the new Kia Sportage is likely to come with the very same 1.6-litre petrol and the 1.6-litre diesel engines, made it to a 6-speed manual transmission on the front-wheel drive versions, whereas the all-wheel drive versions will get a dual-clutch automatic gearbox. Apart from the 1.6-litre mild hybrid diesel engine, the new Kia Sportage will also offer the option of a 1.6-litre full hybrid petrol engine or a plug-in hybrid powertrain. With the SUV-loving Indian market, Kia Motors could seriously consider bringing the 2022 Kia Sportage to India as well. And if launched in India, the new Kia Sportage could compete against the likes of the Hyundai Tucson, the Citroën C5 Aircross, the Jeep Compass, and the Volkswagen Tiguan. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this new 2022 Kia Sportage 5th generation SUV. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.